So I'm gonna unbox my '69 Dodge Dart GTS 440. Um, it's a plumb crazy. It's a Acme detailed model. Um, you can see here that it's a very nicely decorated box. This is the side wiener. Interrupting my video. Hugo. Hugo. Hi, puppy dog. Hi. Hi, puppy dog. He destroys everything. He destroys all his toys. He'll tear the stuffing out of anything. Pound for pound, he's stronger than the bigger dog. Like, you know. He likes to cover up his balls and his toys, and then he likes to dig through and pull them out. Well, don't just stare at it, get the ball. Okay, let's get back to this model. Okay, we're gonna unbox this Dart GTS. Let's see what the Acme detail is like. We've unboxed a couple of Acme GM products. Let's see what a Dodge Dart looks like. Okay, well, it's a very beautiful color. Plum crazy. Although I'm not a purple guy, the plum crazy on a car looks stellar. Yeah, so this looks really nice. The 69 GTS, I think, was the only 440 that you could get in a Dart. I'm gonna have to look up that information. How many years could you get a 440 in a Dart? Because I don't think it was many. I think 69 was the only year. But let's see. We'll pull this out. Well, we're not pulling that out. She's locked in place. Okay. After great struggles, I finally got the Dart free of the styrofoam clamshell that it gets shipped in. This is the first one where I've had that it was screwed down to the foam. That's the first one. Anyway, so here's the Dodge Dart. So it's got the trunk stripe, It's a black vinyl roof car. It looks like, it's hard to see. So there's a shot of the interior. You can see it's a 4-speed car. Yeah, it's a really nice. It's a really nice done car. It's got the poverty caps on it. You can see the seat belts. The seats move forward. The detail is nice. It's just a really nicely done car. Let's see. So there's the trunk. It's got trunk carpet in it. It's numbers 227. I don't know how many of these are. Okay, so there's only 522 of these. So this car is 227 of 522. Let's see. Get the hood open. Oh, get the hood open and stay up. So there's the detail on the 440 and the Dart. Again, it's all the plugs are wired. It's got all the hoses that should be there. Washer bottle, a rad. It's a nicely detailed car, but the hood won't stay up. So this is the underside of the Dart, and you can see the brake lines. The underside of it is detailed quite nice. Yeah, I never knew. I found out recently that the steering for the Dodges is behind the wheels, and that's kind of, I think, what made it better in some ways and worse in the others. So you can see the oil pan is more of a front sump than a rear sump, and that was, I guess, the one of the problems that Mopar had, was that they had oil problems. But I don't know that from experience. I just know that from what I've learned after. Anyway, there's the underside of the Dart. Anyway, there's the Dart GTS 440. Thanks for watching.